Hi there, Maria Klechka here with the Klechka Group, and today we are visiting the Steel Creek model at Webb Bexley. Welcome to the Steel Creek. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, as well as a 2-car garage. This is the smallest model offered here at Webb Bexley at just under 1,400 square feet, but don't let that square footage fool you. Remember, these are open concept floor plans, so this home lives much larger than what it sounds like on paper. My favorite part about this home? The affordability. Starting at just under $250,000, this home is just one of the best values available here at Webb. So here's some more pictures to take a look at of the Steel Creek model. Thank you so much for touring this beautiful home with us here in Webb Bexley. And be sure to check out our video library because there are other model tours in there that may be of interest to you. Look, if you've been dreaming about a move someday to a maintenance-free luxury resort living community, we understand you have questions and we're here to help. Check out our contact information below and call us because we're here to guide you through all of your options because your Sunday starts today.